Recently, there have been reports in Chinese media that Ford China has started layoffs, with the number exceeding 1,300 employees. The compensation is based on the N+3 formula. As one of the world's largest automakers, Ford Motor Company's vehicle sales in China once reached nearly 1 million units per year. However, it is now experiencing significant losses. According to reports from Chinese media, regarding the layoffs, Ford China has stated that the company is building a more streamlined and flexible organizational structure. It aims to allocate resources to its core advantageous businesses and strives to achieve its business objectives in China. Ford China has not provided specific details regarding the number of layoffs and compensation. In May of this year, Ford Motor Company announced a new restructuring plan in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The company stated that it expects to spend $1.5 billion to $2 billion on the restructuring, which includes exiting loss-making regions, layoffs, and other ongoing changes. Previously, there have been multiple reports about job cuts at Ford, all related to cost reduction and profitability improvement efforts. Indeed, Ford has faced challenges in the Chinese market. Public data shows that in 2022, Ford's annual sales in China reached 496,000 vehicles, representing a year-on-year decline of 33.5%. The market share was only 2.1%, a decrease of 0.3 percentage points compared to the previous year. The company reported a pre-tax loss of $572 million in China. These figures indicate a difficult performance for Ford in the Chinese market. According to Ford China's official website, their joint venture company, Jiangling Ford, achieved a total sales volume of nearly 217,000 vehicles domestically and internationally last year. The commercial vehicle segment accounted for 195,000 units of the annual sales. However, due to limited growth opportunities in the commercial vehicle market, Jiangling Ford still faces challenges in increasing its sales volume. Ford's luxury vehicle business, Lincoln, also showed signs of weakness, with a total annual sales volume of approximately 80,000 vehicles in the Chinese market in 2022, representing a year-on-year decline of 13.4%. According to the production and sales report released by Ford's Chinese partner, Changan Automobile, as of the end of April, Changan Ford's cumulative production for the year 2023 was 54,755 vehicles, a decrease of 19.79% compared to the same period last year. The cumulative sales reached 58,809 vehicles, a decrease of 18.67% compared to the same period in 2022. In 2022, Changan Ford sold a total of 251,019 vehicles, representing a year-on-year decline of 17.61%. During the same period, Changan Automobile's overall sales volume was 2,346,151 vehicles, a slight increase of 1.98%. Ford once had a strong presence in the Chinese market, with sales reaching nearly 940,000 vehicles in 2016, approaching the 1 million mark. In fact, Ford China is not the only foreign car company in China experiencing a decline in performance. According to sales data released by General Motors for the first quarter of 2023, their sales in the Chinese market exceeded 460,000 vehicles, a decrease of 24.6% compared to the same period last year. Additionally, Japanese car companies such as Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, Mitsubishi, and their joint ventures in China have also experienced varying degrees of decline in sales. According to Honda China's data, as of March 2023, Honda's cumulative retail sales in China reached 82,041 vehicles, a decrease of 18.8% compared to the same period last year. This marks the seventh consecutive month of year-on-year decline for Honda in China. In terms of specific brands, GAC Honda saw a 28.4% year-on-year decline to 41,813 vehicles, while Dongfeng Honda experienced a 15.1% year-on-year decline to 40,228 vehicles. According to a report by Jiemian News, Kia, a South Korean automotive brand, sold less than 100,000 vehicles in China in 2022. Its joint venture company, Dongfeng Yaweida Kia, had a debt-to-asset ratio of 119% at the end of last year. Indeed, Kia has seen success in overseas markets, leveraging its hybrid products and cost-effective advantages brought by integrated supply chains. With a total sales volume of 6.848 million vehicles, Hyundai Kia Automotive Group has become the world's third largest automotive group after Toyota and Volkswagen. In recent years, Due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and significant sales decline, several foreign brands have announced their withdrawal from the Chinese market, including Jeep, Suzuki, Fiat, and others.